Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah and welcome back to another 3, 2, 1 video in which I give you words, phrases and short sentences that I feel will be beneficial when traveling to Ghana. Before we get into today's video, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave an emoji in the comment section just to let me know that you want to see more of these types of videos. So today's video is a requested video and I've been requested to translate single, married, divorced, and widow. But I will split up the videos into 4 separate videos. So in this video, I'm going to be translating married in Twi, but I want to give you marriage, married, and I am married in Twi. So marriage. How you say marriage in Twi is Awareɛ. Awareɛ, Awareɛ, marriage, Awareɛ, 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 marriage, Awareɛ, 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 look at that backwards 3, it makes an sound, Awareɛ, married, ɔwarefoɔ, ɔwarefoɔ, married, ɔwarefoɔ, ɔwarefoɔ, ɔwarefoɔ. So ware is the marriage side of things. For is a person or people. So ɔwarefoɔ, like a married person. I am married. Maware, maware, maware. I am married. Maware, maware, maware. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.